Well, here we go again. Yeah, Pleasure Beach Resort, annual visit. It might be a couple of visits though this season. You can see Infusion right in front. That don't get any smoother. It's running an empty train, the passenger train. Still not much water down there. It has been raining today. It wasn't forecast, it wasn't in the script. Anyway, there's a new ride near here, which is behind me. So yeah, show you what that's all about. Yeah, just walking down to what will be the new ride in a few weeks, past the old classic ghost train. Yeah, a bit of a mixed bag. There were bits on that weren't working, but there were some new effects as well, so yeah, not bad. Yeah, indeed it is. It's just coming to the end of the cycle actually. Invictus, the brand new swing that's going to be opening in 20 days time. The countdown just behind me. Yeah, I've got another shot of it at the other end, just having a little test. That's going to be mega. Looking forward hopefully to getting on it, but don't bottle it. Oh my god. Yep, the big one, the iconic big one roller coaster. Apparently, the hypercoaster with altitude, I think that should actually say attitude. 2 goes on that, 3rd row, it's roughy. I love it to pieces. It's part of the roller coaster heritage here in the UK. It was his first hypercoaster, I get all that, but it's just so rough. But that first drop is pretty good, still love that. And overall, probably I still love the big one. Sending the 235 foot climb. Right, a quick sum up while I'm watching some horses racing along there. Of course it is steeplechase. Old classic 1970s ride. Oh, well, it's been a good day, I've enjoyed it, it's been good fun. No, however, you can't beat your own drinks in with anymore. I had that confiscated. I'm sure they've got the reasons in doing that. I do think it's a little bit mean, especially on families on hot days. Well, they'd have to fork out for on the park prices. Yeah, well, we'll leave it at that. 30 quid to get in, a bit like typical Nana. I forgot to put on the ECC discount, you do get that, but I've had my 30 quid's worth. I've had 2 goes on this in front and 3 goes on Icon as well. That's still, yeah, best coaster here, isn't it? Top 3 coaster in the UK. So I'll see you at Fleetwood tomorrow for part 2 of this bumper weekend, roller coasters and the Dons. And I'll let Icon finish it off. Catch you soon, thanks for watching.